Welcome to Python in plain English. For those of us that have subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. And for those of us that are yet to subscribe, please you can do so by hitting the subscribe button and by turning on your notifications so that you can get updates whenever we drop a new video for you. Thank you. Alright, so in our last video we talked about the functionality of Python and what Python is. Python is used widely in most apps, most of the popular apps you see out there and websites. Python is used to build them, and Python is very, very powerful. Think about apps like Netflix, Instagram, and even research conducted by scientists and the rest. Python is used for all of that. So that is why you should learn Python. So in this video, we are going to take a step further into learning Python. And how we'll do that is by setting up our Python environment. Right, and the best way to do that is by downloading and installing all the tools we are going to need, like the IDEs. As for this video is going to be Visual Studio Code and Python and other tools we are going to need. So follow us on this journey and enjoy. The first thing we are going to do is to type python.org on your web browser. Yes, right there. Then you see this page load first of all, and you see about, download, documentation, community, success stories, news event. But that does not concern us right now. Let's go straight to downloads, and we'll see the latest version of Python for Windows, right? And for those who use MacBook, you could also locate this website and install Python. So we have Python 3.14.0. And when you click that, that should get you that should get Python installed in your system. Now there's something called IDEs, right? And IDE is basically what we use to write code. Most people use Notepad and all of that, but in this case, we're not going to do that. We're going to use Visual Studio Code. So you search for Visual Studio Code on Google, and you see it right here, and you download it simply. And once you have that installed, well, I have this installed already, so I don't need to download it. All you have to do is just to hit the download button and you have it installed in your system. How do we know that Python is installed in our system? We'll go to command prompt. As the first thing we'll do, command prompt, open it, and we write Python. So what I did is Python -- version, just to see whether we've installed Python or not. And once we click enter, we'll see Python 3.13.7. That's the version of Python I use. I've not started using the latest version yet. But it's fine if you get the latest version. Awesome. Alright, so we have installed Visual Studio Code. Awesome. I'm so excited about that. Now, first thing you do is to go to start. You can see start right here. Tap on new file or click on new file. Yes, then type in the file name. Now you can name the file anything you want to name. So let's name it coda dot. Now there's something called file extensions. Now because we are learning the Python language, we're going to use py as our file extension because we are learning Python, right? Awesome. So when we do that, just press enter, right? And you can save that Python file anywhere. I would rather save it in documents, create file also, and bingo, we are where we should be. So that's basically how to set up Python on your PC or laptops and the rest. Alright, we have saved our file as coda.py. Awesome. So are you ready to write your first program? I can't wait, I'm excited for this. So the first step is to type print. Yes, first step. Then I'm sure on your keyboard you can see 9 and 0. Right on top of it you can see the bracket sign. So you press shift and 9. So that will give you this. Sorry about that. That should give you this. Shift plus 9. Yeah, that should give you this. Then you use the double quotation marks. Right? You press shift and the double quotation mark key, and that will give you this. Then you type hello world. Hello world. Yes, for those who use different IDEs, who use Notepad and the rest, which I would not advise. I would advise you get Visual Studio Code. You might see something different, but it's all along this, right? But it look like this. This is what you should type. Then here we run it by tapping this play button. And in our terminal we see hello world. Awesome. This is how to use Python, this is how to install it. So on the left part of your Visual Studio Code application, you would see extension, that's Control Shift plus X. I would advise that you search for Python first of all, then you download the Python extension created by Microsoft. I guess this is it right here. It was created by Microsoft, and all you have to do is just to download it. And so that now what this will do is that it's going to help us with writing code. It will help us um to correct mistakes in case we make any. Yes. So I just advise you get that done. Coming back here, coming back to code, code.py, I have printed hello world. Let's talk about the basics. What you should expect from this playlist? You're going to learn the basics of Python. You're going to learn about variables and simple data types. We're going to learn about lists, learn about if statements, learn about dictionaries, user inputs, and while loops. We'll learn about functions, classes, files and exceptions, and we'll test our code. And from there, we are going to get into the world of Python as a whole. And it's an exciting journey. I can't wait to start this with you. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next. Bye.